Is your lawn starting to look tired, even though you water, mow, and feed it the same way? It might not be the weather. It could be thatch, a hidden layer choking your grass from below. Thatch is a layer of old stems and roots that sits just under your green blades. A thin layer, about a quarter inch, is healthy. But when it gets thicker, water and nutrients can't reach the roots. That's when the trouble starts. You'll know your lawn has a thatch problem when it feels spongy underfoot or dries out fast after watering. Do a quick test. Push a pencil or screwdriver into the soil. If it stops before reaching the dirt, you've got a thick layer of thatch blocking the way. Thatch builds up when soil life slows down. Compacted ground, chemical fertilizers, or cutting the grass too short can all make microbes disappear. And without those tiny helpers, dead roots pile up faster than they break down. Start by removing the excess layer. A dethatching rake works for small lawns. For bigger spaces, rent a power rake. It pulls out the tangled layer without harming healthy grass. Early fall is the best time to do it, when the grass can heal and grow strong roots before winter. To keep thatch from coming back, feed the soil, not just the grass. Add a thin layer of compost or fine mulch once or twice a year. Healthy soil life will take care of the rest. A healthy lawn doesn't fight thatch, it prevents it naturally. For step-by-step help, visit Yardener's full guide on controlling thatch. Take care of your soil, and your lawn will take care of you.